Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just get ready with me, chit chat kind of video because I'm not filming a video in forever, so I kind of just want to get on here and get ready with you all. So if you'll see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the first video I have filmed in like a week. Like, it feels weird. I did put a video up not too long ago, but it was all that was a video that was pre-filmed. The one about Inspired Look by Casey Holmes. Yeah. I just wanted to talk to you all and get ready because me and my husband are supposed to be going out today and go out and eat or something. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Prep and Prime that I always use. I'm not gonna do no foundation or anything today. I'm just gonna do my eyes and maybe like a little bit here and there of other stuff. I'm not really feeling foundation today. I'm not even feeling baby cream. I'm just feeling put something on so I don't look like death. The reason why I have not filmed in a week is because my papa passed away last Saturday. And if you watch my other videos, I did say that he was getting bad off, that I didn't know when I was going to be able to film any more videos or how, because I will be spending a lot of time with him and my family. So I did. I spent that whole week with them out there at my papa's. He literally lives right out there. Well, used to, I guess you'd say now. And I don't know why that was black. I'm gonna put some on. But I spent the whole week with my mom and my aunt and my cousins that came in and all that good stuff. So I did not make time for filming because it was a very difficult time. I hated to even work. I did have to work a couple days, but one day I left early, and then I called off the day that he passed away because I just couldn't work. And you know, my boss understood, they wouldn't mad or anything. It's just, I really couldn't work that day. It was a nightmare. He was my last grandparent. We buried him on Thursday, and I've been working ever since then, so I just haven't really had time to film. And that's what's been going on. Okay, anyways, today I'm going to use this Laura Lee palette that I got not too long ago. I think I've done a video on it, but I just love these colors in her palette. I think they're so gorgeous. You can tell, I really haven't used some of them, but some of them I have used. But I really love this color right here. I use this for my inner corner all the time. So I'm just go ahead and go in with this white color right here called Okie Dokie. Well, not really has changed. Other than my papa died. That was very difficult to go through. I'm gonna go in with the Bomb Diggity. This color right here. But he was the first grandparent that I was actually there when they passed away. The other ones, I was not there. So it was very hard. My husband kept saying, I think you should just stay out here. Well, I came out here to the house and, I took a nap. I was like, hopefully, if something happens, I hope it happens when I'm out here sleeping. Well, I never got woke up, and I go out there, and literally seconds after me getting out there to his house, I sat down and talked for a couple minutes, and he passed away. I stood there when he took his last breaths, and it's traumatizing, but it's not it's sad, really sad. But But I also want to show you this before I forget, because I know I will. Influencer sent me a box. If you don't know what Influencer is, it's where you take surveys, they send you boxes, and you, for free, all of it's for free, you do surveys, and you test out their products. Well, I did I did test out the nails that I got in, which is these impressed nails. Like, if you can see these ones, like, I used some of them, and I already took them off. Where I work, it's kind of really hard to wear nails. But they're really easy nails to put on. Like, you just press them on, and they actually stay on there for a long period of time, which is really surprising. And you can't reuse them. But, I mean, that's kind of, obvious. But I think it's so cute. They come in a little box. I already tore it all up. I've already, tried out some of the products and all this stuff. I'm going to scoot you all back just a little bit, because I feel like I'm up in y'all's business. Okay, I think that might be alright. But I think it's a cute little box they send it in. And the products that I got, they send me this lotion, this hydrating body lotion, which is really good. I've used it a little bit. Like, I have really dry skin. Like, I have bumps on my skin. Like, it's not really like noticeable, but like I can feel them, and they are not like so bad as they used to be when using that. Now, I've used these products for about a week now, I'll say. And I like all of them. I especially like this. It is 10 skin solution, ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and shaving and waxing. I really, really like this. It really smooths out your legs after you shave them. And I also got these body washes from Miss Myers. I did have 3. I've used one of them so far, and I used them today, and I love the smell of them. And they said it like it's kind of like a therapeutic body wash. So they smell good and they help you. So, but all this was free from Influencer. If you have not ever heard of them, you can go check them out. I'll leave a link down below. They also give you cash back for free. Like, when you buy products, they give you cash back and stuff like that. So it's really good. I've only been on there for a little bit now, and I really do like it. But that's my first box. They're called boxes. B-O-X. So weird. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this. You Have Me at Hello from ColourPop. I absolutely love this palette. I used the brown in this palette a lot. So I'm going to take this brown and just put it like right there on the edge to like have it like a little bit smoky brown. I've done a video on Wet n Wild products. Like, the video should be up by this one. And oh my god, like I've done a smoky eye, and that's like the first time I've done a smoky eye in like, oh my god, forever. And I absolutely loved the look. It was so gorgeous, so pretty. I really enjoyed doing that video because like the eyes looked so good. Like, I walked in there and showed my husband, and he was like, I really like it, because it was different. But honestly, that's how I used to do my makeup all the time. Like, but I didn't have it like all smokied out. Like in high school, it was just like black. I don't know why I did that. I think it brought out my eyes a lot, and I'm like, ooh, it's pretty. And I never stopped doing it. But yeah. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to go in with Scatterbrain, which is this really pretty one right here I like. But yeah. It's been a crazy week, as I say. It's hasn't stopped. I've either worked, hung out with family, my husband and I have done stuff together, and it's always been something going on this week. There is something that might be changing but I'm not sure. I just go ahead and let you all know about it, just in case, like, I just disappear out of nowhere. My papa, I think my mom gets the house and the property that my papa's house is on. And she didn't know if she wanted to move out there or not, because, you know, if you don't stay in a house, it's going to go bad. And that house is really, for it to be old, it's, like, in good shape. Except for, like, a couple of, like, the flooring in the kitchen is kind of bad. Or in the dining room. And my mom's thinking about moving out there, her and my dad, after they get the floor fixed. A guy supposed to be coming looking at it or something here soon. So if they move out there, me and my husband gets this house that we all live in together. And which is good, but, you know, it's going to be good, and we're going to fix it up like we want. And my cousin's wanting the dresser and, like, the stuff that, you know, like with the mirror and stuff. He wants the chest and the dresser and stuff. And Mom's like, I'm taking my stuff from out the house. I was like, well, if you do that, then I'm not going to have nothing to put, like, my makeup and stuff on, because all I have my makeup is over there, but how am I going to have my stuff to sit on? I'm not going to have nothing, because my dresser that was in my room, I ended up giving it away or something, or trashing it. I don't remember. But I was like, what am I going to do? Like, I want that then. This mascara that I've been using, Believe Beauty, that's that new makeup line that I tried out not too long ago. Oh my god. The mascara is amazing. Like, I'm not lying. I love this mascara. And it's like $5, which is not bad. Like, you definitely, like, if you have, like, lashes that you don't like, I guess you can put, like, falsies on. But this mascara brings out your eyelashes really well. But yeah, I'm definitely going to fix this house up the way I want it, and, you know, I'll have this room. This room will be the same. It'll be my beauty room. But I was thinking, I was like, oh Jesus, like, I'm not gonna have nothing to put my clothes in except for the closet, because this ain't that big of a house. I mean, it's a good sized house, but not big. I was like, I'm gonna have something, you know. Gotta have something to put that makeup on. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill palette. And it's the Bling Boss one. And I'm gonna go with Berry Treasure, as I always do. And I use it for my eyeliner. Like, when I did makeup for work, when my papa passed away, I didn't put no eyeliner on. I didn't care. I just didn't want to go to work looking like I just drug out of bed. You know, I did. I was running on like 3 hours of sleep per day. Cause, like, you know, we would stay up, you know, in case something happened to him. Like, I know I'm blabbing on a lot of that stuff that you probably don't care about, but oh well. But I done my hair in the installer, and I just love the way that, like, the installer does hair. Like, it's so easy and fast. You know, I have, like, very thick hair, and it takes me forever to fix my hair. I am gonna put some lip gloss on. I do love this Pout Lip Gloss Matte from LA Colors. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lips. I do get a lot of compliments about this lipstick. A lot. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my bangs. I'm gonna try not to make this video a long one, but I'm sorry if it is. It's just me getting ready and all this stuff. Like, I was thinking about cutting my hair off, like not cutting it all off, but like cutting some of it. And I start thinking, oh, I'm gonna miss my long hair. But I know this video was a little bit long. I'm sorry, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you like my look. If y'all have any video ideas or anything, just let me know, and I'll try my best to do them. And I thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.